Hi, I'm Nikita Bhatia from Nightingale Creative Design Studio. I'm here today at Villa Royale, one of our most loved projects of this year. The architecture of this villa is inspired by classical and neoclassical trends. The best part of the house is the incorporation of all that's required to call a home a fully loaded home with amenities to fulfill one's need to live luxuriously as well have a socially fulfilling life. The creative freedom that this client has provided us to create this space has been phenomenal, and that's one of the reasons why we have been able to create such a one-of-its-kind place. It's a male and female yin-yang of how we mix the balance of making our designs not feel too easy to create. We make it a little bit stronger, and that's the way we put it across to client so that they have 100% clarity of what and how it's going to be done. We are extremely excited about how we have put together different elements to create that influence of British French vibe, combining it with the modern day Indian family name. Our essence of doing a project is to create luxury spaces with the right blend of functionality.